Stop! Before you pour that cloudy water down the drain, you're literally flushing away one of nature's best-kept gardening secrets. Welcome back to the Organic Gardener's Lab. Subscribe and ring the bell. Have you ever poured rice water down the drain after cooking? Stop right there. You're missing out on a powerful, natural fertilizer for your plants. Many plants struggle with nutrient deficiencies, leading to stunted growth and dull foliage. But what if the solution was as simple as something you already have in your kitchen? Discover how rice water can transform your garden. Just like us, plants need essential nutrients to thrive. Rice water provides a boost of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the fundamental building blocks for healthy growth. Nitrogen promotes lush, green leaves, phosphorus encourages strong root development, and potassium enhances overall plant health, making them more resilient to diseases and stress. Together, they create a powerhouse for your plants. Rice water isn't just about NPK, it also fosters a beneficial microbiome in the soil. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria, phosphate-solubilizing bacteria, and plant growth-promoting bacteria work together to make nutrients more available and support robust plant health. This rich environment also includes mycorrhizal fungi, which extend the root system for better nutrient uptake, and actinomycetes, which decompose organic matter and suppress soil pathogens. It's a complete ecosystem for your plants. Preparing rice water is incredibly simple. First, rinse your rice in a bowl with water. This washes off excess starch and nutrients that will benefit your plants. Next, carefully pour the cloudy, starchy water into a clean glass jar. This is your concentrated plant booster, ready for the next step. Now, use this cloudy water to directly water your potted plants. It's that easy to give them a natural nutrient boost. For even greater benefits, let the rice water ferment for 24 hours. This process breaks down complex carbohydrates, making nutrients more accessible to your plants and increasing beneficial microbial activity. Before applying, always dilute your fermented rice water. The ideal ratio is 1 part rice water to 3 parts plain water. This prevents over-fertilization and ensures optimal absorption. While beneficial, too much of a good thing can be harmful. Over-application can lead to white mold and attract gnats. Always dilute and apply sparingly to avoid these issues. The difference is clear. Plants watered with plain water often show limited growth, while those receiving the rice water booster are vibrant, bushy, and produce higher yields. See the transformation for yourself. In summary, the process is simple. Rinse your rice, ferment the water, dilute it properly, and watch your plants grow healthier and stronger. Give your garden the natural boost it deserves. Like, comment, and subscribe for more science-backed gardening tips.